So good evening, everyone. We will just start observing last week's trend. Okay. Right. I will just. Okay. Now, when we see the trend, first of all, we'll observe what has happened. है ना? क्या हुआ है? So we will start with this. It is which date? Tell me.
Sir, today's
9/8/2021.
Sir, 9th August.
9th August.
Yes, 9th August. है ना? 9th August. 9th August was, I guess 9th August was which day? I hope all of you remember. 9th
sir.
August was Monday, है ना?
Monday, I guess.
Yes. So we are actually observing 5 days. Okay. Yes. So now when the market started, and it went down. Okay. 9th August only.
Yes,
9th
sir.
August, right? And almost it closed. Right. Again, it. Tell me. It
Went up.
recovered, है ना? So ध्यान दो. We are just observing trend in the market, right? We are observing the trend in the market, and according to that trend, we are trying to form, right, the candlestick of that one day. Okay. I hope all of you understood what we are trying to do. We are observing the trend, right? Changes in price of Nifty 50, and we are trying to find the candlestick pattern of that day. So 9th August, a candlestick, right, will be bearish or bullish? Tell me. Pehla cheez. So this is the
Bullish.
first candle. Again, this is the first candle. First candle को open क्या है? What's the
Bullish.
नहीं open देखो ना लिखा ऊपर.
sir, open हुआ nearly
ऊपर लिखा ना OH.
Sir,
OH
16,283.
right? अब देखो last candlestick है ना? 330 का last candlestick क्या है? Close क्या है?
Sir, 16,258.
258.
16,258.
और ये कितना है?
16,290.
83 ना? Open, right?
हाँ सर 83 है.
अब बताओ 83 है ओपन, फर्स्ट कैंडल का ओपन 83 है और लास्ट कैंडल का क्लोज कितना है?
सर 58.
16,252.
हाँ, so
16,258.
राइट, तो ऊपर प्राइस ज्यादा हुआ कि कम हो गया?
तो ज्यादा हुआ है सर.
सर ज्यादा हो.
6 रुपीज.
ओपन इज 83. सी ओपन
Yes
इज
sir.
83.
Sir lost हुआ है. Sir lost हुआ है.
एंड क्लोज इज
58 sir 58.
क्या हो गया?
Sir lost
Sir,
हुआ है.
नीचे.
Lost हुआ है sir.
नीचे
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ये देखो ये जो सबसे लो कैंडल राइट, ये वाला है ना, राइट? इसका लो कितना है? टेल मी व्हाट इज द लो?
Sir 179.
Sir, 16,179.
राइट, और टोटल हाई, सबसे हाई तो इस कैंडल का ही है, फर्स्ट कैंडल का हाई कितना है?
Yes sir. Sir 16,290.
16,280.
Okay, so if I say, sir, if I want to make one candle for all this candle, right, for one day ka, so I guess sir open will be what? Open is 16283 almost, right?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir. Yes sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
close is
16258,
Yes,
Two
sir.
five.
25.
right? And
The rounding
low is 16179, है ना?
179 sir. Yes
Yeah,
sir.
179.
Yes, it is 1617.
High.
And high will be this candle only.
Sir
Sir, no,
16,290.
Sir, 16529.
है ना? 16290
90.
because इसमें भी 162.
Sir, there is more low in here, sir.
Yeah, sir, there is more low. 100
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. In green candle there is more low.
Yeah, sir, there is more low.
Green candle ही check किया ना हमने 16. Tell me.
119.
See 16179 green candle ही तो check किया.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Green candle sir.
Right? So
Yes,
high
sir.
is 16. Tell me 290 है ना? Right, this
हाँ
one.
sir. हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, with this information, can you make a candlestick pattern? Tell me.
Yes,
Anna.
sir.
Sir we can
Yes,
make.
sir.
We can make.
Right? So everyone just try to draw in your notebook and we will check, है ना?
Okay.
Okay. So I will shift it to 1 day candle chart, right? 1 day candle chart है ना. अब 1 day candle chart हो गया. अब देखो 1 day candle हो गया पूरा ये. This is 1 day है ना. This is 1 day. Just change this 1 month and this to 1 day. Okay. And we were checking for which day? Tell me. We were checking for
Sir, 9th August. 9th August.
9th August, right? 9th August. So 9th August is this day, है ना? ये देखो. दिख रहा
Yes, sir.
है?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
है ना?
sir.
Okay, so if you see this 9th August wala, what is open?
Sir, 1613.
16134.
Open 16281 na open.
Sir, the screen is like lagging, sir, so that's why.
Right? Exact open is 16281. Yes or no?
हाँ sir, 160.
Right? Exact low is 16179.
16,174.
That is no 16 again लिखा हुआ है ना यहाँ पे. Exact low.
Yeah,
This
sir,
is,
sir.
16,179.
16179.
right? Or
Yeah, sir,
exact
that is
closes.
also.
Exact closes
Sir, 16258.
258.
1628.
Exactly, right? तो ये
1625.
तीनों हमारा सेम हो गया है कि नहीं?
हाँ, sir.
Right? But
Yes, sir.
high is more. Why? High is more because हम लोगों ने क्या देखा था? हम लोगों ने जो कैंडलस्टिक देखा था, right? उसमें कुछ डेटा मिसिंग होगा because 15 minutes का होगा ना, right? But almost you got the idea, हाँ है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me this. Suppose you are a short-term trader. Okay. So today we are trying to actually analyze how to take up trade. है ना? अभी हमको थोड़ा सा single candlestick pattern समझ में आ गया, trend समझ में आ गया. But it is like a theory, right? I have to use the practical. How to use it, है ना? Okay. Okay. Now tell me this, right? When you talk about, guys, just wait. I don't know. I started having a headache. Okay, chalo. So when you talk about the trade, you have to take trade. Actually, there are multiple factors which is right there that you have to look for. First is the trade that you are taking. The trade that you are taking is of what kind? What kind means depending on time frame also, and depending on right trade also. For example. Now, you know that there are two kinds of trades. Okay. One is in which you buy stocks first, and then sell it later. Okay, that is your first kind of trade. Yes, almost all of you know. These kind of trades are called as long trade. Long trade. You can note it down. Long trade, right? So if someone say that I'm longing on this stock, which means they're buying it first, then selling it. It is called as long trade. नाम है इसका. लंबा duration नहीं है, right? When you buy something first, then sell it later, it is called as long trade. ठीक है? But do you know that we can actually sell first and then buy later? Right? Now you
Sir,
might
short
ask,
selling.
wait, yes. So you might ask, sir, possible kaise hai? It's not short selling. Then you can say it is a short trade. There's a difference, right? Short selling and short trade are two different things. Okay, it is called a short trade.
Sir, how is it possible that we can buy first sell?
Yes. Actually, the thing is now this kind of things happens only in intraday. Usually, intraday, right? Or there's something called options, future options or derivatives. तो हम लोग इसकी बात नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग derivatives की बात नहीं
Sir,
कर
what
रहे हैं.
is the sell first and buy later?
It is called a short trade, short.
Okay.
ठीक है, right? So it is usually possible for intraday or some derivatives, right? जैसे derivatives we will have another separate sessions. Don't worry about that. Okay, so people can make money in both short trade as well as long trade, right? Now, you know that in market there are two kind of people, right? One is bulls and one are bears? Tell me, right? है ना? So
Yes,
when you
sir.
talk about bulls, so bulls want market to go up or to go down,
Sir,
Sir,
up,
go up,
sir.
go up.
up, right? But what bears want? Bears want
Market
Down,
going
down.
down.
exactly, right? Why? Because markets are basically short sellers. Market are short sellers, right? The bears, right? Bears are short sellers, है ना? So short sellers will sell first, then buy it later. Okay. Now I'm just talking about intraday perspective, 1 day perspective. Now suppose, right, for some time frame, है ना? Suppose for some time frame, suppose someone saw this. Okay, was here, right? The candlestick is big green, then big red, which is almost overlapping this kind of green candlestick, है ना? So it is not exactly, but it is. We will discuss this kind of pattern, right? This is called as bearish engulfing. Not exactly, but almost like bearish engulfing, right? Where one green candle is almost overshadowed by red candle, है ना? Red candle like that. Okay, we will see, right? So this is your bearish engulfing. It shows kind of a bearish trend, है ना? So tell me here, who will initiate the trend? Who will initiate the trade? Tell me. Who will initiate the trade?
Bullish people.
sir,
Right?
bullish.
Bullish or bearish?
Sir,
Bearish, sir.
bearish take the
Yes.
advantage.
They will initiate the short, right? है ना? They will initiate the short trade. Yes or no?
So
Right?
what type of candle it is called? The red candle is
Short trade, right? Tell me what they will do. See what they will do. They will, suppose if you sell something first. Guys, please mute yourself.
Sir, you said no, sir. When a green candle is overlapped by a red candle, it is called.
Wait, we will study that, Aditya. Don't worry, हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, टेंशन मत लो. मैं बस एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ शॉर्ट सेलिंग का, ठीक है? राइट, शॉर्ट ट्रेड का. It's not short selling, short trade. So when you talk about this, है ना? मान लो सुबह 9:30 का ये कैंडलस्टिक है, 30 मिनट्स वाला, है ना? 9:30 to, right? 9 to 9:30 वाला कैंडलस्टिक मान लीजिए, है ना? 9 to 9:30 वाला. ओके, 9:30 से 10 o'clock वाला कैंडलस्टिक मान लो ये है. तो इसमें प्राइस इज बिटवीन, टेल मी, हाई इज 16325, है ना? एंड लो इज 16221. सो दोनों में से कोई भी एक प्राइस ले लो. लाइक सपोज आई टेक अ प्राइस ऑफ 1616,
सर हाई
300.
प्राइस हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा 30 से.
है ना? कोई भी एक प्राइस मान लो, ये प्राइस पे मैंने बेच दिया, राइट? मैंने बेचा 16300 पे, मैंने स्टॉक बेच दिया, which is between somewhere between this, है ना? Okay. Now I will wait for this candlestick to form, because red होते जा रहा है, then I will wait for this candlestick to form. ठीक है, 11 बजे वाला कैंडलस्टिक. अब बताओ 11 बजे वाला कैंडलस्टिक है तो कितना का नॉर्मली प्राइस रेंज कितना है? टेल मी. नॉर्मल प्राइस रेंज कितना है? टेल मी.
Sir, around 1600.
16,200.
Sir,
16,200.
162.
है ना? राइट. सो 16200, राइट? अब
Yeah,
बताओ
sir, 120.
एग्जैक्टली. तो अब इस छोटे से ड्यूरेशन में कितने पॉइंट का डिफरेंस आ गया?
Sir, 100.
100.
एग्जैक्टली. तो सपोज मान लो किसी ने 10 यूनिट्स खरीदा, मतलब ये स्टॉक नहीं है, अगर ये स्टॉक होता तो, राइट? मान लो किसी ने ये 100 यूनिट खरीदा, 100 यूनिट, है ना? तो 100 यूनिट कितने का आएगा? लाइक 16 लाख का. लाइक ऑब्वियसली
16 लाख.
बड़ा टर्म है ना? राइट?
16
But-
lakh, 300, 30 lakh.
हाँ, राइट. सो अब इस टाइम पे बेच दिया, सपोज इस टाइम पे बेच दिया, इस टाइम पे बेचा, सेल किया इस टाइम पे, है ना? और इस टाइम पे बाई कर लिया. सो नेट कितना रहेगा? नेट
100.
Sir, 100.
जीरो ना, जीरो। पहले उसने बेचा जो उसके पास था नहीं, फिर खरीद लिया। यस और नो?
Oh, yes, sir.
राइट? हाँ या ना? I will explain you and with example also, but you understood this. पहले उसने बेच दिया फिर खरीद लिया। Okay? Now let me explain you this like this. Okay?
How it would be zero?
What?
Then it would be
Yes, sir.
profit.
I also didn't understand it, sir.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है? जैसे तुम एक चीज बताओ, suppose आदित्य, right? Okay, Aditya don't have any shares, right? Aditya don't have anything. Suppose he don't have any. Let's talk about some commodity, right? Let's talk about some pens, right? Anna, think about it, right? So Aditya, right, actually don't have any pens. Suppose, Anna. So what he will do? He will, right? He will ask his friend Nabil to lend him 100 pence. 100 pence. Okay, got it. Think about it, right? Aditya will ask Nabil to lend him 100 pence, which he will sell at, suppose, 10 rupees. Okay, right? Okay, but after like 6-7 hours, the price of pen becomes 8 rupees. 8 rupees. Okay, right? After 6-7 hours, the price of pen will become 8 rupees. So Aditya, because now he is having 10 rupees per pen into 100,000 rupees. Right? So what do this Aditya will do? Aditya
He
will
will sell
again,
it.
again buy it. Na? Buy.
Yes,
Ah, he
sir.
will buy.
Yes. So he will buy again 100 shares, right? From how many rupees? 800 rupees, right?
800 rupees.
And return this to Nabil. Okay, right? So tell me, Aditya will make profit
100
how many
points.
rupees?
100 points profit.
200 rupees profit. Na?
200 rupees.
Yeah,
profit.
sir, 200 rupees.
profit.
200 rupees profit.
Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, got it.
Yes,
Right?
sir, got it.
Okay. So this is what your short trade. Okay. But suppose if the price, right, this is for those who is observing market. But suppose Aditya is not observing market, right? It went up, down, all up to this price. But again, it started rising up. And he is not observing. Again, started rising up, right? And if it becomes more than that, right? Obviously, it should be in one same day only, or almost similar to that. So he'll make less profit, yes or no?
Yes.
Got it?
Yeah,
So
sir,
that
he
is
will
why-
make less profit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when you talk about this small duration chart, 1 minute, 2 minute, right? 15 minutes chart, it is used for which kind of traders? Intraday traders, right?
Intraday.
Exactly, right? So I hope all of you understood what is short trade.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Tanushree, you understood now? No? Okay, I will explain once again. Don't worry. Right? Okay, I will explain once again. Anna, chalo, let us see one chart of one company. Okay. Now let us see the chart of this company. This is one company which is in my portfolio, right? Which was a good company, but it
I also
it
have
went
the
down
same company.
a lot. Okay, it went down a lot. Nuclear software, right? A lot. Okay. So this is
Sir, I wanted to ask sir how you get the company names, sir. Like to
Sir,
invest in which company, sir?
Sir will search.
again, right? Again, there are lots and lots of companies, Like when you are actively in this, then you get to know. Now tell me, 1 week, what has happened? What has
I
happened
don't
for
know,
1 week?
sir.
Everyone, observe this. What has happened? सबको एक बार चार्ट देखो.
Sir, I tried. It fall like.
Sir, what is that black thing, sir?
Sir, it is
was
trying to
so
go up
much
and
loss.
again falling. Trying to
This
go
is
up
again
and falling.
if you observe this, you will see that something very bad has happened on Friday.
Great, yes,
Sir,
sir.
12%, sir.
Sir, it dropped, sir.
Sir, what is that black thing, sir? I
Black
think it was-
again. Now this is just one like fixed price. That's it, right? No high, no low. That's one fixed price.
Sir,
Enough.
11th it
That
started.
is also candle, right? That's just a candle with no changes.
Sir, it went suddenly down.
Now
sir,
tell
like-
me, what is the closing of Thursday? Closing of Thursday is closing of
603.
83.94.
603,
603. What is the
Yes, sir.
opening of right?
601.
Sir, 6161.
rupees.
601.
See, closing of right? See, 330. देखो 12
Sir,
तारीख का 330.
684 and 61.
684, sir.
684 है ना?
684 and 61, sir,
Yes,
so many
sir.
difference.
Right? But
Yes,
opening
sir.
of
Sir, it fell down. Sir, it fell down.
बताओ opening of
Sir,
Sir,
61.
601 rupees.
601.
601 rupees.
601 rupees.
601.
So कितने का
Yes,
फॉल
sir.
हुआ? बताओ कितने का फॉल हो गया?
Sir, 80, 87, 87.
83,
Okay,
sir,
guys.
83 rupees.
83.
Please
83.
message, right? Please message, है ना? Right?
Sir,
है ना?
83.
Right? Because मछली बाजार हो जा रहा है, right? है ना? Please message. Okay. Now, tell me this. If you see this, right? है ना? Like it is not actually. If you see the charts, right, you can say, okay, the sentiment is trying to like it's almost getting bearish, है ना? Right? Consolidate हुआ, then ऊपर गया पर फिर red हो गया, फिर hold नहीं कर पाया, फिर red हो गया, फिर indecisive हो गया, right? Now, but it should not fall this much. इतना fall नहीं होना चाहिए without any reason. Yes or no? Message. Don't you think that without any
Yes.
reason it doesn't fall like this? And it's not just this, you know, almost many small cap and mid cap companies, right? Many small cap and mid cap companies, right, fell like this. Many. Because there's a reason, right? Reason was a regulation which was passed by SEBI. You know? SEBI passed a regulation, right? Okay, अब ये regulation कितना फायदेमंद होगा, कितना नुकसान वाला होगा, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But again, it right passed some regulation, okay, which was kind of not very good for stock. Like it's not good for trading point of view, but it is good for retail investors point of view. हमारे लिए अच्छा है. Now, how many of you have seen that some companies always, right, within 2 days, 3 days, increase like 30%, 40%, within 1 month, it increased like 100%. Yes or no? Right?
Sir, I saw a company name Aditya Vision, sir. From 1 year, it took upper circuit only.
Right? So upper circuit, proper circuit लगे जा रहा है. So what happens? Since they're very small cap companies or mid cap companies, they don't have lots of shares, right? है ना? उतना share नहीं होता है. समझ में आ रहा है ना? For example, suppose a company valuation is 100 crores. 100 crore का valuation है. और 100 crore का valuation जिसके पास मान लो 2 crore का भी share है. 2 crore का भी share अगर trade करता है, so it can change the whole, tell me, whole pattern, whole trend for this stock. Yes or no? मान लो कि 2 crore का शेयर खरीद लिया, पूरा अपर सर्किट लग जाएगा. Yes or no? या अगर एक साथ बेच दिया, पूरा लोअर सर्किट लग जाएगा. So he can manipulate the price. Agree? He can manipulate the price as he wants. Okay. So the regulation that was put is there's a like I don't remember the exact percentage, but he said like the SEBI said that in 1 week, normally not in 1 week, in 1 month, the stock should not move up by more than 30%. In 6 months, not more than this. 1 year, not more than this. So एक regulation इसने डाल दिया, है ना? Right? Because of that, the small cap and mid cap, right, fell like anything. समझ में आया? Because of the regulation. So this is news induced news induced change, right? है ना? And most of the abrupt changes are always news induced. News आता है इसीलिए जाता है ऐसे. समझ में आ रहा है ये चीज?
Which cab company is this which you are showing?
What?
Sir, in which cab company is Mr. Nucleus Software?
Aditya, you please message, right? I don't know why your voice is not very clear. To be like for the safety of retail investors, Shravya, है ना? For the safety of retail investors, right? अब जैसे तुमको एक और बात है, क्यों? तुमको just एक example देते हैं. So there's a company called as Tejas Networks, right? You see just see the chart. You will get to know. Just see the chart. हाँ, तेजस नेटवर्क का 6 महीने का चार्ट देखो और 1 मंथ का चार्ट देखो, राइट? 1 मंथ का चार्ट देखो, है ना? 1 मंथ का चार्ट देखो तेजस नेटवर्क का 1 डे चार्ट. ओके, 1 मंथ का 1 डे चार्ट, राइट? क्या दिख रहा है? और 1 वीक का ही चार्ट देख लो ना, 1 वीक का ही चार्ट देखो, सीधा 1 वीक चार्ट. What can you see? Tell me.
Sir, upper circuits.
Upper, you can see, right? कि सर यहाँ से is like not very, like not so much traded, है ना? बहुत बहुत कम ट्रेड हो रहा है, like almost concentrate कर रहा है, fixed price है. But यहाँ से फिर क्या हुआ? Upper
The
circuit पे
straight line जैसा है, sir.
upper circuit पे upper circuit, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? मतलब daily upper circuit लगा है, daily upper circuit लगा है. Now tell me, is this a good thing for retail investor?
Oh, sir.
Right? Why is not a good thing for retail investor? Because पहली बात कि जो यहाँ पे खरीदा उसको लगा प्रॉफिट हो गया, प्रॉफिट हो गया. But actually this thing, right? The price that is shooting up like this is done by operators, है ना? Operators. कुछ लोगों के पास बहुत ज्यादा स्टॉक होगा, है ना कि नहीं? बहुत पैसा इस बात से बहुत सारा स्टॉक है, वो खरीदे जा रहे हैं और अपर सर्किट लगे जा रहे हैं. Now I will show you one more thing, right? Okay, so I hope all of you understood this. Now see what has happened. यहाँ पे देखो इस दिन क्या हुआ? इस दिन क्या हो गया? अचानक लोअर सर्किट लग गया. समझ में आ रहा है? अचानक लोअर सर्किट लग गया. For this period अचानक लोअर सर्किट लग गया था. So when market moves like this, ना, right? It will always be in either upper circuit or lower circuit. समझ में आ रहा है? Right? जब ऊपर जाएगा तुमको अच्छा लगेगा कि हाँ ऊपर जा रहा है, पैसे मिलेंगे, प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. बट अचानक लोअर सर्किट लग जाएगा, अचानक. You cannot sell.
Sir, everybody will cry.
Exactly. अब तुमको एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ मैं, ठीक है?
Sir,
Everyone
your
remember the
favorite
story
company.
of
Yes,
not
sir.
my favorite company नहीं
Sir,
है,
this
but
W
Your
सर आप तो
favorite
हर
is
कंपनी
Bajaj.
को नाम से जानते हो सर कि इस कंपनी में आज इतना हुआ है.
हाँ.
Sir,
So
that
देखो,
was my question, sir.
Sir's
How to know
favorite
the name
company is
of the
Bajaj
companies,
Finance.
sir?
right. अब देखो यहाँ पे, देखो रुचि सोया देखो, ठीक है? I guess everyone can see, right? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, है ना? So if you see the daily chart, right? This is the daily
Sir,
chart.
sir, it become a pyramid, sir.
सर लग रहा है किसी ने ड्राइंग कर दी है. सर ऊपर ऊपर गया फिर नीचे नीचे गया.
Wait, it is not for 1 year. 5 साल का जब तुम चार्ट देखो, ओके 5 साल में है ही नहीं है. 1 साल का ही देखते हैं. 1 साल में नहीं, actually it is. I want to
Sir, it
see
become
2 years, right? Last would say. So, anyways, देखो यहाँ. So the thing is now, right? Thing is this. If you see the candlestick size is increasing, yes or no? Right? तो यहाँ से क्या हो गया? अपर सर्किट लगे जा रहे, कब तक लगा?
थोड़े दिन तक फिर अचानक धक्का लग गया.
भाई प्राइस वाज देखो
1300 400.
राइट. ये वीकली कैंडलस्टिक है, वीकली कैंडलस्टिक. तो कितना हो गया? एक वीक में हाईएस्ट कितना चला गया?
Sir, it is
1,500.
John
1500. कैन यू इमेजिन 1500? और भाई स्टॉक का प्राइस स्टार्ट कितना था? देखो क्या था?
So 16 rupees.
16 rupees.
16 rupees.
अब डेट देखो 1 to 20 जस्ट कोविड के स्टार्ट होने से पहले
Somebody would
1
have
February 2020 राइट 1 February 2020 है ना राइट और
Yes.
ये
Yes, sir.
ये डेट कौन सा है ये डेट कौन सा है 30
Sir,
जून
36.
2020
30.
Yes, sir. So
अब बताओ
Sir,
कितने
पाँच
कितने
पाँच
महीने
महीने
में
में सर.
4 महीने राइट 4-5 महीने 5 महीने में
हाँ सर.
the stock went up to 1000
somebody has drawn this.
राइट है ना राइट ये ड्राइंग
Sir, 1000%.
राइट सोचो 16 रुपए का हो गया ऑलमोस्ट 1600 रुपए का ठीक है 1000 टाइम्स इट इज अनरियलिस्टिक अमाउंट ऑफ मनी हाँ है ना
Yes, sir.
राइट -10 -10 नहीं ठीक है बेसिकली इट वाज एंड यू नो कि तुमको इसके बारे में नहीं पता है ना अगर तुमको नहीं पता है इफ यू आर लाइक अ न्यू पर्सन व्हाट यू विल थिंक
फिर और ऊपर जाते ही रहेगा करके और ऐड
राइट बट खुद सोचो ना कि and you know why this happened because this is a very small cap company इसका सिर्फ 1% market में है 1% okay 1% and you know there's a I told you this story of this right Ruchi Saya did I tell you the story of this
Sir, it went up to 16,000 and it lost, sir.
no okay I'll tell you the short story right there's this when you think about it no every company have story so Ruchi Soya was actually a good company right and all of us we use the product of Ruchi Soya all of us right have you heard of Nutrela soybean chunks
हाँ sir. Yes.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ sir, Nutella.
है ना तो न्यूट्रेला को तुम उल्टा करके देखना उसका मैन्युफैक्चरर कंपनी दैट इज रुचि सोया ठीक है राइट okay so it's not like a very small company it was a very big company okay in 1980s 1990s right in 1980s it was a good company it used to export oils right है ना palm oils right palm oils soybean oils right it used to export है ना अच्छा सा कंपनी था but I have told you ना how debt works last class मैंने बताया ना कि debt कैसे काम करता है ना right so because of some government policies right due to some government policies it actually fell into this debt trap right it took lots and lots of debt because of something there's again a totally new story I'll tell you one class now I will just tell you the stories of some companies okay right there are companies which are almost ruined now we'll discuss the stories of those companies but thing is so who give this money right obviously banks right है ना banks पैसा देती है ना so how many of you know about Patanjali
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All know, sir.
Yes, sir.
and how many think it is like a good company
सर मैं सोचता हूँ नहीं सर मेरे को नहीं पता
right Patanjali I don't know I personally don't like this company I don't like this company
मेरे
at,
को भी
at all
नहीं पसंद
you know why right I'm talking about the personal point of view ठीक है
सर रामदेव बाबा अच्छे नहीं
no forget about that the thing is na right this company played on this like you know Indianization right Bhartiya har cheez right make in India wala
Yes,
cheez
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
India wala cheese, then like healthy cheese, organic and all those things. So I'm not talking about the product, right? अच्छा बुरा की मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा. मैं just बोल रहा हूँ ना कि the market strategy was this, right? I'm not saying it is bad, but it was the market strategy. Okay, right? And if you dig deeper, right, then you will find that the products of Patanjali is not that like very good and all. Okay. Yes, I'm recording. Don't worry, right? It's fine. Right? We can say it. Don't worry. So what Patanjali did when this Ruchi Soya was in debt, highly debt. Okay. Now, when this happened, okay, this Ruchi Soya is actually under Patanjali. ठीक है?
What, sir? Ruchi Soya under Patanjali?
Yes. Right? Okay. Right? So this Ruchi Soya is actually under Patanjali. Right? Patanjali is the owner of Ruchi Soya. So you can say that if you're buying stock of Ruchi Soya, that is how people see, right? That is how people, right, started buying this, because when Patanjali bought this Ruchi Soya, right? You know, there's a funny thing how this happened. Okay. Suppose I'm giving this example. Suppose I'm having Vihan. I'm having suppose right,
Aditya.
Nabil, and then we have Shravya. Okay, so Vihan owns a company called as Ruchi Soya, right? Nabil owns a company called as Patanjali.
नहीं सर मेरा चेंज कर
And Shravya is the like government who owns banks, right? Suppose SBI.
सर मेरा
Now
अमीर है सर श्रेया
think about it.
हाँ,
Think
sir.
about it, right? अब सोचो कि कैसे लोग कैसे बेवकूफ हो सकते हैं. Think about it. We will see कि भाई कैसे how people can be this foolish. So now tell me this. Vihan obviously owes a debt, right? Debt लिया हुआ है. Yes or no? और डेट में कुछ कोलैटरल रखा जाता है ना? कुछ कोलैटरल होता है, कुछ तो होता है भाई, अगर मान लो तुमने पैसे नहीं दिए तो क्या करोगे, है ना? ओके, सो द कोलैटरल वाज द शेयर्स ऑफ रुचि सोया. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, नाउ नबील इज लाइक ओके बॉस, आई विल रेस्क्यू यू. ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारे डेट को कम करूंगा, राइट? So what Nabil did, Nabil went to Shravya, right, and took a loan. Took loan, right? Loan, how much loan? So suppose जो debt मान लो उसका है 100 रुपए का, so he took loan of 200 rupees. ठीक है, right? 100 रुपए देकर इसने इसको खरीद लिया. And अब obviously if Nabil is taking loan, he put some collateral, ना? Nabil should put some collateral. Yes or no? You know what collateral this Nabil put?
4 पतंजलि की बिस्किट्स
Nahi, he put the collateral of shares of Ruchi Soya only.
फंसा रहे सर, सब लोग फंसा रहे. सर विहान फंस गया सर, बेचारा बेचारा विहान.
नहीं तो
सर, नबील
विहान तो
को
बच गया ना, विहान तो बच गया, विहान तो निकल गया. तो इसमें बेचारा फंसा कौन?
श्राव्या.
श्राव्या, राइट? एक तो ऑलरेडी उसके पैसे नहीं थे, ऑलरेडी पैसे डूबे हुए थे, वो और पैसा दी, एक्स्ट्रा पैसा दी, राइट, सेम शेयर्स को प्लेजिंग के लिए. ठीक है, राइट? आई जस्ट गिव यू द वेरी ब्रीफ एंड लाइक तो छोटा मोटा एग्जांपल, बट दिस इज हाउ
श्राव्या कैसे डक्ट में, आई मीन श्राव्या कैसे फंस गई?
अगेन श्राव्या बैंक है ना, राइट?
हाँ सर.
है कि नहीं? अब जो चीज ऑलरेडी प्लेज्ड है, जो चीज ऑलरेडी कर्जे में है, राइट, वो दूसरा
कोई कर्जे में लेने का क्या फायदा?
एग्जैक्टली दूसरा आदमी उसको खरीद कर उसके ऊपर ही कर्जा ले रहा है ना? that sounds insane. Yes or no? Tell me, right? है ना? अब obviously अब इससे क्या हुआ, अब बताता हूँ इससे क्या हुआ. Now tell me, suppose I'll just give you an example, right? Suppose okay, suppose ये मान लो 10 करोड़ शेयर्स थे, मान लो 10 करोड़ शेयर्स थे, जस्ट इमेजिन 10 करोड़ शेयर्स थे, राइट, है ना? और इसका मान लो 1% मान लो कि आईपीओ में है या कुछ परसेंट है, एग्जैक्टली मुझे नहीं पता, बट मान लो, ठीक है, कुछ परसेंटेज है. बताओ ये एक शेयर का प्राइस कितना था? ठीक है, चलो नबील ध्यान दो, यहाँ पे एक शेयर का प्राइस कितना था? टेल मी. 16 रुपए. तो जो अब बताओ, राइट आदित्य, आई विल जस्ट रिमूव यू, ठीक है, फोकस हियर. 16 रुपए. अब बताओ, ऑब्वियसली, राइट, व्हेन a company is listed, right, most of the shares is with whom? Most of the shares is with
chairman.
the promoter. Yes or no? आया है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Right? यही तो है बात श्राव्या, गवर्नमेंट, right? Ramdev. Okay, I come to this topic. So see, now most of people will make money. अब खुद बताओ ना यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे क्या हुआ भाई? Why the price rose up? Tell me why the price rose up? Okay, Rupa, right? Very good. चलो यहाँ पे अब ध्यान दो. Why the price rose up? Tell me.
क्योंकि पतंजलि ने रुचि सोया को छोड़ दिया.
नहीं, because there's a sentiment, right? There's a sentiment कि अरे पतंजलि ने रुचि सोया को खरीद लिया है, तो buying a share of रुचि सोया is almost equal to buying a share of Patanjali, है ना? And Patanjali is not listed. Patanjali is not listed. Do you know this?
नहीं पता था.
Right? Patanjali is not listed, right?
Awesome.
And if Patanjali will get listed, if Patanjali will get listed, it will be one among the top companies, among the top FMCGs.
सर तो पतंजलि को अब तक लिस्ट क्यों नहीं किया गया?
Again, list totally depends, right? List मतलब IPO नहीं हुआ है पतंजलि का, ठीक है? मतलब शेयर मार्केट में बिकता नहीं है इसका शेयर, okay, right? It can actually compete like Dabur, Hindustan Unilever, companies like that.
How, sir? That is not possible.
Yes, that is possible.
Compete is Deepak Nitrite, sir.
Deepak Nitrite is a again totally different company. Say totally different company. ठीक है? You might be thinking, sir, ऐसे कैसे इतना बड़ा कैसे हो गया? Right? Then again, this comes. Do you know that most of the exactly, right? अरे Vihan, I will just okay. So the thing is now most of the product of Patanjali is used by, tell me, used by, obviously it is not used by people in cities, but most of the product is used by the people in tier 2, tier 3, tier 3, tier 4 or villages, and that is a very huge market. समझ में आया? The market capitalization of Patanjali is way too big. So people started thinking, भाई अब तो पतंजलि रुचि सोया का स्टॉक लेना मतलब पतंजलि का स्टॉक लेना हो गया है ना, तो खरीदना स्टार्ट. और obviously there will be operators, you know, like operators are people पतंजलि वाले ही लोग, मतलब not exactly पतंजलि वाले, but हाँ कोई रिश्तेदार, right? जैसे मान लो मेरी कंपनी है The Educatorship, right? तो मैंने अपने दोस्त को बोल दिया कि भाई तू खरीद ले 10 लाख शेयर.
तो उससे अच्छा सर हम सब स्टूडेंट्स को बोल दो ना सर. हमारे 100 से भी ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स होंगे,
राइट? तो तुम लोग बहुत बड़े बन गए है ना, तो खरीदोगे. So people started buying and the price went up. But now the thing is now, right? No, since not today, right? Okay. So think about it. Suppose you talk about 5%. 5% 16 रुपए का कितना होता है? Tell me. 16 रुपए का 5% क्या होता है?
सर 5%?
16 रुपीस का.
सर 100 रुपीस
सर
का
16 into 5 by 100.
0.8 पैसा. ठीक है?
That's 0.8 rupees.
Right? है ना? But as the price goes up, right? The 5% will also, right? Because it will be compounded. हाँ या ना? Tell me. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
compounded. Now, you might think, अरे सर पैसा बढ़ते जा रहा. अरे सर करोड़पति सर 1 लाख लगाएंगे सर, राइट? काश 1 लाख लगा देते सर, काश. क्या सर आपको जब पता था आप क्यों नहीं लगाए?
1 रुपए लगा देते.
नहीं, 1 लाख रुपए कितने लाख बन जाते? 1000 लाख. कितना लड्डू हो गया? मुझे तो गिनती भी नहीं आ रही है, मैं भूल गया गिनती.
सर आप थे तो
कितने हो गए भाई? कितने हो गए? 1 2
सर
3
10
4
crore
5
सर.
10 करोड़. अरे अब तो मैं पढ़ाई छोड़,
सर
मैं
पूरा
पढ़ाई
लाइफ टाइम
छोड़कर
सेट
मैं
हो
तो
गया सर.
सर लाइफ टाइम सेटिंग हो गया.
राइट? अरे
अच्छा सर
अगर 10 लाख लगा देता मैं, 10 लाख,
सर आईफोन, लैम्बोर्गिनी, मर्सिडीज सब कुछ खरीद लो.
राइट? अगर 10 लाख लगाता मैं, 10 लाख इस स्टॉक में, तो कितना हो जाता?
खरीद लो सर रिलायंस.
नहीं,
सर नियरली 1 अरब सर.
5 महीने में 5 महीने में भाई, 5 महीने में कौन करोड़पति बनता है?
कोई
Right?
5
नहीं
महीने में
सर, और मैं बन जाऊंगा सर 5 महीने में करोड़पति।
But again,
कैसे बन जाएगा सर? तो
Again.
सऊदी अरेबिया के सबसे बड़े ऑयल प्लांट को खरीद लो।
बट नो वन न्यू ना कि नो वन न्यू कि ऐसा होता है, किसी को पता नहीं था ना कि ऐसा होगा, समझ में आ रहा है? दैट इज द थिंग।
सर तो अभी इसमें क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है सर? जैसे
मैं बता रहा
फर्स्ट
हूँ,
और
अगर
सेकंड कैंडल्स देख
किसी ने
के क्या
यहाँ
पता
पे
चलेगा?
थिंक अबाउट, किसी ने यहाँ पे खरीदा होगा, राइट? किसी ने मान लो यहाँ पे खरीदा होगा, है ना? यहाँ पे
बेचारा
अराउंड
इतना घटिया से तरीके से डूब
1300 बिकॉज पीपल हैव बॉट इट ना, लाइक लोग खरीदते आ रहे हैं कि नहीं, लोग खरीदते आ रहे हैं,
इसको
हाँ,
देखकर
राइट?
तो मैं पक्का टाइम मशीन बनाऊंगा सर।
तभी तो ऊपर जा रहा है। अब देखो यहाँ पे 1300 में एक स्टॉक खरीदा, 1300 में एक स्टॉक खरीदा, अब यहाँ पे ऊपर गया 1600 तक गया ऑलमोस्ट, उसके बाद क्या हुआ भाई? उसके बाद तो बर्बाद 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 बर्बाद, कितना आ गया? चल मी
460।
क्या
400
सर?
रुपए, 400 रुपए, हाँ या ना? अब भाई बताओ, जिसने 1300 में खरीदा और 400 हो गया, वो तो बर्बाद हुआ ना,
मैं लुट गया।
हाँ
सर।
हाँ सर,
वो
मैं तो
तो
लुट
बर्बाद हो
गया।
गया, बर्बाद हो गया, यस और नो?
सर लुट गया,
Right?
फ्रॉड।
यार भगवान अच्छे से दिया है सर। मैं लुट गया। ऊपर
ठीक है,
नीचे।
right?
सर मेरे पास पता है सर, किसी को पता चलता है कि आपके पास 10 करोड़ है तो सब लोग मतलब स्कैम है करके आपको जेल में डाल
Okay,
देंगे।
right? And this is not this
नहीं नहीं सर, जो बर्बाद हो गया सर वो उसको
okay guys,
जाके
keep quiet,
बोलेगा।
keep quiet. So मैं वही बता रहा हूँ कि ये क्या हो रहा है। जैसे यहाँ पे एक और कंपनी है, and these all are small cap companies, आलोक इंडस्ट्री, right? Okay, ये भी एक स्मॉल कैप कंपनी है, ये भी एक स्मॉल कैप कंपनी है, इसका चार्ट भी तुमको सेम दिखेगा, दिख रहा है? कुछ सेम दिख रहा है?
हाँ सर ऊपर।
एकदम सेम सर। सर ऐसे लग रहा है कोई वंडरला का स्लाइड है सर।
Right? So
ऐसे लग रहा है कि माउंट एवरेस्ट आ गया सर।
हाँ, ठीक है, चलो guys, keep quiet. So now I guess all of you understood, right? Why there is need of regulation, है ना? Right? There's need of regulation in small cap. समझ में आ रहा है?
Excuse me, सर।
Yes.
सर शायद ऐसा ही बर्गर किंग में भी हुआ था सर, फर्स्ट ही डे
Burger-
में वो 130
again-
रुपीस पड़ा था।
Again, right? Burger King was a different case. I will explain Burger King वाला case, right? But think about it ना, Burger King IPO के वक्त हुआ था 2-3 दिन के लिए, right? But this is like, अब ये ऊपर इतना क्यों गया पता है?
क्यों सर? सर कौन से
क्योंकि
सर
Reliance bought it.
ओ रिलायंस सर, रिलायंस का ऊपर जाएगा सर। सर पता
हाँ।
चला सर, रिलायंस का हाथ है।
सी देखो यहाँ पे एकदम नीचे लोअर सर्किट में था, ये लोअर सर्किट में था, फिर न्यूज ये रिलायंस खरीदा, न्यूज आया रिलायंस खरीद लिया तो पूरा ऊपर, अरे अब तो रिलायंस खरीद लिया है, अब तो राइट ऊपर जाएगा। समझ आ रहा है?
स्टॉक खरीद लो, स्टॉक खरीद लो। खरीद लो, एक स्टॉप, एक स्टॉप।
Guys, I'm going to mute everyone again.
नहीं सर, चुप बैठे।
नो सर।
दो लोग की गलती से हमें क्यों सजा दे रहे हो सर?
यस सर।
सॉरी सर।
Yes, sir, I hope Zoom introduces a new feature where you can block people
Okay, guys,
in chat
keep
and
quiet,
mute
please keep
सर
quiet.
काम
only
सर।
single people.
Keep quiet.
सर
Okay.
सर ये तो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है सर।
No, I have to keep quiet everyone forcefully.
सर नो सर, वी विल बी क्वाइट सर।
Okay, right. तो जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ चुप रहने के लिए, चुप रह ही नहीं रहे हो, ठीक है? So yeah, I'm saying आज का आउट नहीं होगा आकर्ष, right? Because कुछ नया है नहीं ना. So I hope all of you understood how right? Tell me how these small cap companies, right, can move like anything. हाँ या ना, समझ में आ रहा है? Right? Depending on some news, some regulations. Okay, but when you talk about any big company, right? Take any big company. Suppose take like Tata Steel, है ना? Any big company, right? Tata Steel. Okay. So see, you will not see that kind of हमेशा upper circuit, हमेशा lower circuit. Yes or no? You will not see that, right? This is not हमेशा lower circuit, by the way. This is like this trend. It is not always lower circuit. This is a trend, right? But there won't be always circuit. ऐसा नहीं कि daily 10% का circuit लगते जा रहा है. Okay, right? So that is why this Nucleus and some other, not other, many small cap companies fell like anything. If you see the Nifty small cap, right? Nifty small cap. Okay, I'll just show you here. Right. Nifty small cap, or just see S&P BSC small cap, right? Yes, Shravya, because the thing is, na Shravya, when you talk about large cap, why it is called as large cap? I hope all of you remember why it is called as large cap. Tell me, why it is called as large cap? Because the market capitalization is way too big, right? Lakhs of crores, right? And no one can have that much share of any one company. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Right? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Right? Clear है? अब खुद सोचो, why the market will fluctuate? Because lots and lots of shares will be bought or sold, है ना? Right? तो अगर थोड़ा सा stock है, suppose there's only 1 crore stocks. Suppose there is only 1 crore stocks, right? है ना? Suppose, right? अगर 1 crore stocks में 1 crore, right? For those you do, sorry. हाँ. So अगर 1 crore stock में कोई अगर 10 lakh stock बेच देगा ना, तो it's a big amount. Yes or no? अगर 10 lakh stock एक बार में कोई बेच दिया, तो ये बड़ा value है, बड़ा amount है. Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या ना? but अगर मान लो कि अगर total number of stocks is suppose 10 crore में कोई 10 लाख बेच रहा है, it is not that big amount. है ना? It's just 1%. Clear है? So price, obviously price will go down, but इतना down नहीं जाएगा कि like lower circuit लग जाए. समझ में आ रहा है? Right? So this is BSE small cap, and you see that the whole BSE small cap went down by how much percent? Tell me, how much percent? Minus 2.76%, right? Okay, that is a huge number when you talk about overall index. And there's some companies, right? There's some companies which went down by 4%, 3%, है ना? देखो, right? Obviously, some companies went up also because it's a small cap, right? Small cap में कुछ भी होता है, ठीक है? Small cap में कुछ भी होता है, ठीक है? Clear हो गया ये चीज? So why this price variation takes place? Because of news and all those things. Okay. Thank you. Right. So this is the meaning of total equity. Total equity मतलब क्या होता है पता है? Like see everything. Just see this, right? So this is asset. Asset मतलब समझ में आता सबको, right? So total asset का value कितना है? What is the value of total asset? मतलब company, everything, right? जो ढेर सारे factories हैं, right? Or whatever is owned by this कितने हैं? Everything is crore, by the way. Everything is in crore. 13 lakh 20,000 crores is total asset. समझ में आ रहा है? Right? This is the asset, 13 lakh crore. What about liabilities? Total liability कितनी है? Like debt हो गया, salary हो गई और सब कुछ मिलाकर, right? Salary कितनी हो गई? सब कुछ मिलाकर liabilities, like जो पे आउट होता है हर चीज मिलाकर around 5,20,000. So if you see 2020 में liability कितना था? काफी ज्यादा था. 5 में भी काफी ज्यादा था. तो liabilities will keep on changing depending on right growth के लिए debt ले लिया है ना, या कुछ सेटअप किया नया कंपनीज, राइट? सो liabilities obviously उस पर चेंज होता है. Now total equity, if you see the total equity, what is the meaning of equity? Again, shares, value of share, है ना, right? लायबिलिटी शब्द ये होता है जो तुमको पैसा बना के नहीं दिया, जिसमें तुमको पैसा खर्च हो रहा है ना, राइट? जैसे कंपनी को चलाने में खर्च होता है ना, राइट? ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो 8 लाख, yes, expenditure and all those things. So say card is your liability, card is your actual liability, है ना, right? If you include total liability plus shareholder equity, then this is total amount, है ना? Okay. And what's the total common shares outstanding, right? This is the number of shares outstanding, which is 676 crores, 676 crores, right? अब तो अगर 676 करोड़ शेयर हैं, उसमें किसी के पास मान लो 10 लाख शेयर है भी, कोई फर्क पड़ता है क्या? टेल मी, कोई फर्क पड़ता है क्या? अगर 676 करोड़ शेयर्स हैं, उसमें अगर मान लो कि कोई 10 लाख शेयर ओन भी करता है, ही विल बी अरबपति. जो 10 लाख शेयर ओन करेगा, ही विल बी अरबपति, नॉट करोड़पति, राइट? है ना? स्टिल दैट विल नॉट बी सफिशिएंट टू चेंज अ लॉट, राइट, इन द प्राइस. समझ में आया है कि नहीं? Now let us see LIC. We were talking about LIC, है ना? Just guess, tell me, guess कि LIC का कितना मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन हुआ? Guess. अब तुमको एक नंबर मिल गया ना? नंबर मिल गया? नहीं, कितने करोड़, कितने लाख, मतलब हो गए लाख करोड़, जस्ट से लाख करोड़. हाँ, 100, ओके, 1000 करोड़. थाउजेंड, ओके. Okay, it will actually be around 10 lakh crores. Okay, 10 lakh crores, right? If you see this, right? So, okay, it is actually a big company, very big company. Total asset value is of 31.96 trillion rupees. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है. तुम सोचोगे सर LIC इतनी बड़ी कंपनी तो नहीं है, लाइक इंश्योरेंस बेच कितनी बड़ी कंपनी तो नहीं बनेगी. दैट इज फैक्ट, यस और नो? मतलब फाइनेंशियल ईयर 20, ठीक है. देन टेल मी व्हाई दिस LIC इज अ वेरी बिग कंपनी. अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, पहली बात कि गवर्नमेंट को चलाना कौन है? गवर्नमेंट के पास पैसे कहाँ से आते हैं? यू नो, LIC is like the golden goose of, you know what is the meaning of golden goose? You know what is the meaning of golden goose, right? हाँ, सोने के अंडा देने वाली मुर्गी. So LIC is that. Okay, LIC, right? LIC is basically an investor. LIC is an investor. LIC has invested in almost every company. ठीक है, every company. तुम रिलायंस ले लो या कुछ भी ले लो, कोई बड़ी कंपनी ले लो, LIC ने उसमें पैसा डाला है. ठीक है, LIC is a very big investor. ठीक है. नहीं, होम स्कूल नहीं आदित्य, होम स्कूल को तुम लोग बड़ा करोगे ना. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, ठीक है, राइट? LIC एंड यू नो LIC का IPO आ रहा है, बाय द वे, लाइक दिस ईयर LIC is filing for IPO, right? And it will be the biggest IPO ever, biggest. An IPO, like, it is only selling 10%. It is planning to sell 5 to 10%. And this IPO will be almost worth 1 lakh crore around. This is just a like rumor, 1 lakh crore. ठीक है, 1 lakh crore. सोचो, it's a very big amount. Market ना, market cannot digest this much amount, right? ठीक है, अब कुछ जैसे जोमेटो हो गया या जो रेज किया था ना पैसा, they raised like 3,000 crores, right? 3,000 crores, 5,000 crores. These are like the big amounts. 1,00,000 करोड़ का IPO आएगा, तो एक साथ शायद नहीं आए, because that's a very 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 huge amount. Market, the volatility will rise. Okay, lots of things will happen, right? But I hope you understood the point, है ना? ठीक है? So no, right? Everyone can buy that, right? It is like a lot, na? 15,000 का एक lot आएगा, 15,000 का one lot, right? So I'm saving money, and I'm going to buy at least two 20 lots. I'll apply for this. You have to apply, and I wish I get one lot. Okay, chalo. Okay, guys. So what, right? What is the takeaway for today's class? Right? We understood market better, right? Normally क्या है कि market कैसे behave करता है ना? How the type of market, right? Being a small cap, mid cap, large cap matters, right? अगर तुमसे पूछा जाए volatility ज्यादा किस में होती है, small cap में कि large cap में? Tell me. Volatility ज्यादा किस में होगी? Volatility means price change, like price fluctuation. Volatility. I cannot write. I don't know why something is wrong with this. Small cap में, right? Risk ज्यादा किसमें होता है? Risk ज्यादा किसमें होता है? Small cap में, है ना? Right? So अगर किस्मत अच्छी रही, तो करोड़पति कौन बनाएगा? किस्मत अच्छी रही तो, right? है ना? Small cap, right? But again, right? It is like a gamble. Honestly speaking, it is like a gamble. Yes or no, है ना? Because you don't know na, that what is going to happen. You don't know actually. But if you want to make consistent money, right? Large cap, low risk, large cap. Okay, right? If you check the portfolio, na, mid cap also is like good. Mid cap you have to see, right? कि कौन सा mid cap है. For example, my portfolio is having like 65% large cap, 65% large cap, 20 something mid cap, and 17-18% something. It's like this, 63, I guess, 60 something like that, right? Small cap, it's like that. Okay, so I want to play it safe, by the way, right? I don't want my all money just go whoosh, grab me one, right? I'm fine with having just 15%, right, increment, right? I'm happy with that, but I want consistent growth. ऐसा नहीं एक साल में 100% हो गया, उसके बाद फिर लोअर सर्किट लग के पूरा खत्म हो गया, ऐसा नहीं. समझ में आएगी नहीं? You have seen na what happened with Adani. I guess all of you have seen what happened with Adani. है ना? Right? पैसे बनने में बहुत कम टाइम लगता है, but नीचे आने में बहुत जल्दी नीचे आता है. How many of you heard of Tesla? Tell me. Tesla का सबको नाम सुना है ना? Everyone know Tesla? I will show you the trend of Tesla. I will just show you the trend of Tesla. News काफी सुना होगा, Tesla का शेयर बहुत ऊपर चला गया, yes or no? Right? Right? But उसके बाद किसी को पता है कि उसका काफी नीचे भी चला गया, मतलब काफी नीचे चला गया फिर? Do you know this? No, Shrey. Obviously not. See, देखो यहाँ पे, देखो. You can see this, right? What happened? What happened to Tesla? What happened to Tesla? Okay, right? So I will just show you this 1 month का chart, 6 month का chart. ठीक है? So it went all up, right? है ना? ऊपर चला गया, फिर देखो, फिर काफी नीचे भी आ गया, कितना नीचे आ गया? Can you see this price? 563 है ना, राइट। फिर ऊपर गया, फिर काफी नीचे आ गया, फिर है ना। सो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि हमेशा प्राइस काफी ऊपर जाए, है ना। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन न्यूज, लॉट्स ऑफ न्यूज। ईयर टिल डेट, एक साल मतलब एक अभी for the whole year of 2021, right, it is making loss, हाँ या ना, tell me, right? जब uptrend में था and it went up like anything, if you see ना 5-year chart, it went up like anything, like एक साल में देखो कितना ऊपर चला गया, एक साल में 2020, this is just 2020, है ना, समझ में आ रहा है। So think about those people who bought at this price. Obviously many people have bought at this price ना, right? उनको तो काफी लॉस हुआ होगा, yes or no? Tell me, those people who bought at this price, right, bought at this price, right, they're making losses ना, yes or no? देखो year till date वाला लॉस कर रहे बेचारे, 6 महीने में भी लॉस है, 6 महीने में 10% चला गया नीचे, yes or no? एक साल में 1.73% गया है, 5 days में 1% ऊपर है, एक महीने में 9% ऊपर है। So totally depends on की time frame, for which time frame you are buying and selling a stock, समझ में आया? You have to fix the time frame, okay, right? So before making any trade, what we have to decide, tell me, before making any trade, कोई भी जब तुम स्टॉक खरीदते हो सबसे पहले तुमको क्या डिसाइड करना है, what you have to decide first, tell me everyone, message, whenever you're going to buy any stock, right, any stock future में obviously, what you have to decide, क्या डिसाइड करना है बताओ सब कोई। Now I'm going to unmute. नहीं, बेसिकली टाइप ऑफ कंपनी भी मैटर नहीं करती है ना, यू कैन मेक मनी इन एवरी कंपनी, आई टोल्ड यू ना, चाहे तुम स्मॉल कैप लो चाहे मिड कैप लो, राइट, यू कैन मेक मनी, राइट। द इशू इज नॉट विथ मेकिंग मनी, द इशू इज टाइम फ्रेम, ओके, है ना। सो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू लुक फॉर इज टाइम फ्रेम, राइट। अगर किसी कंपनी को तुम एक दिन के लिए खरीदे हो, एक दिन के लिए, तो उसको एक दिन में ही बेच दो भाई, चाहे तुम्हें प्रॉफिट हो चाहे लॉस हो, सेल इट इन वन डे। डू नॉट थिंक कि अरे अब लॉस हो गया तो हम अगले दिन रख लेंगे, डोंट डू दैट, समझ में आ रहा है। सो दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये होता है टाइम फ्रेम। यू हैव टू डिसाइड, राइट, द कंपनी दैट यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन और बाइंग द शेयर और सेलिंग एनी शेयर, व्हाट इज योर टाइम फ्रेम, टाइम ड्यूरेशन, राइट। अगर तुमको एक दिन के लिए ही लेना है, which is intraday, sell it in one day, close this trade in one day only. If you are making profit, well and good. If you are making loss, well and good, right? जो भी है तुम करके निकलो वहां से, समझ में आ रहा है, right? That is the time duration. Second, set target and stop loss. Always, except for long-term investment, right? Long-term के लिए तो तुम मतलब खरीद के भूल जाओ, है ना, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए तुम खरीद के भूल जाओ, हाँ फाइन, ठीक है, राइट, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए। बट लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए तुमको कैसी कंपनी खरीदनी चाहिए बताओ, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए तुमको कैसा कंपनी खरीदना है, एवरीवन, कैन यू बाय एनी कंपनी फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, कैन यू बाय एनी कंपनी फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, नो, राइट।
No,
सो
sir.
ideally you should buy almost 60 to 70% large cap, 60 to 70% large cap, right? Then 20 to 25 mid cap, and then small cap. Because sometimes na, if you buy 10 small cap, कभी कभी होता है ऐसा कि 10 में से, right, अगर 10 small cap, suppose you buy 10 small caps, 10 में से 9 डूब गया, 9 बर्बाद हो गया, बट एक चल गया, एक काफी अच्छा चल गया, right, then it can become multi bagger, है ना, बहुत प्रॉफिट दे सकता है, because every large cap was a small cap someday ना, हाँ या ना, every large cap was a small cap someday. Now, and is it necessary that all the large cap will remain large cap in future? is it necessary that all the large cap will remain large cap in the future?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, right? The best example is again Reliance, right?
Sir, Reliance, another one, sir.
Yes, Anil Ambani one. Anil Ambani one, right? है ना? Reliance. So see, if you see the Reliance, right? बेचारा कितने रुपए का price हुआ है?
Sir, बेचारा.
Right? There's a time जहाँ पे Reliance का share like 900,000 में बिकता था. Reliance Communication का.
I think one more example, sir.
हाँ, Future Retail, many examples, many examples. Ruchi
Sir,
is also
Vodafone है? Yeah, sir. Ruchi, sorry, Soya.
right. Ruchi is also one example.
Sir,
है ना? It was
Sir,
okay.
Vodafone है, sir.
Vodafone is also one example, right?
Yes, Vodafone.
Yeah. So I hope all of you understood this thing, है ना? So what is most? Yes, HDFC, right? HDFC was about 1.5 rupees, but now it is 2,000 plus, है ना?
Sir, and HFCL, sir, in
DHFL.
2000.
क्या bankrupt?
HFCL or DHFL? Which company
Sir,
are you talking about?
HFCL, sir. Sir, it is of data company, sir. Wi-Fi.
Yes, HFCL was in news by the way, right? HFCL
Yes, sir,
पे
that only,
लगा था,
sir.
हाँ, upper circuit लग रहा था, पता तुमको?
हाँ
So
सर.
people were buying
सर
it.
1500 तक का था सर, बाद में वो अभी 68 रुपीस पर है सर.
HFCL was like, see, HFCL is also like that kind of company, है ना? इसमें देखो upper circuit लगे जा रहा था, right? So stay away from these companies. Stay away from these companies. ठीक है? Okay, these companies are good for short trade. They are good. They are very good for short trade. Short trade में सुना रहा है ना? Intraday हो गया, right? या आज खरीदो कल बेच दो ऐसा हो गया, right? Because they are the news-driven companies.
पर इसको पता है कि ये आज ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा, भगवान को ही पता.
Yes, yes, पूर्वी है ना? अब देखो जैसे मैं बताऊँ ना कि I have told you about Dixon, right? Dixon के बारे में बताया मैंने ना, है कि नहीं? So Dixon was a small cap company, right? Dixon was small cap company, है ना? Right? समझ में आया? But now it is a mid cap company, right? Now it's a mid cap company. Yes, yes, Kishore, right? That's why na कि whenever companies stock market moves, right? It moves because of news, mainly news or some regulation. Otherwise, they are like normally चलते रहता है ना? That's why those people who are actually in stock market, na, right? Especially people like me, है ना?